to part 1 of GNU Linux tips and tricks. Let's say you want to make a directory called -hi. mkdir-hi. Oops, mkdir gives an error, invalid option. What we need to do is to put 2 dashes before the folder name. Let's try. mkdir 2 dashes, a space, and then -hi. Hooray! Folder created. When we want to enter the folder with the cd command, we must do the same so that the folder name is not recognized as an option. Let's try it. cd 2 dashes, a space, -hi. We entered the -hi folder with the same trick. Now let's remove this folder. cd to the previous directory, rm space -hi folder with the -rf commands because we want to recursive remove because it's a folder. Oops, an error again. Why? Because we did not observe an important point. We have to put options first and then 2 dashes and then something we don't want to count as an option. Let's try it. rm-rf, options first, then 2 dashes, a space, and then the name -hi. Removed. Please subscribe for more tips.